Probably here and from free His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, one President of the Republic of Ghana. Now, and the last batch of ministerial appointments, at the His Excellency, one point to run thing at the Kofi Adams as the sports minister and also sports and recreation. It is a minister designate for the Ministry of Sports and Recreation and Honorable Kofi Adams one all reacted to an appointment what in some way atuja or see on boxing na nije boxing a chain football eba agudiena na ka so no Kofi Adams bia on select ba ko na nije ho or see no boxing na ofili boxing more than your friend say football yentie Honorable Kofi Adams minister designate for sports and recreation.
Sports per se per any field when said that yeah like I said but me per boxing boxing yeah me prepare and when I say you are offering leadership, you are managing various persons and you be near you be to and hope say nyankopon be them tell me where they are challenges. That's what man is for. Every leader must be prepared to face challenges. In Ghana, sports is part of Ghanaians love sports. So all you need to do is say you bring them closer to it. So performance now person so it's an opportunity say we don't or do a prayer of na a domo so then emasa there is omupe now so yama or domo and into a certain positive energy. So it's a for so more in the sports sector also or say we engage you. Well, we say, are they happy with the state of our sports, various aspects of sports? If they are not happy, it means that any year you may become a state. You will be in Ghana and you will be doing European sports and the rest. About one casa, is that what they want? No. At the end, I will say, we should begin to generate positive energy.
Honorable Kofi Adams, Minister Designate for Sports. The first reaction to the appointment na oye no say a breakthrough say you prioritize ye game nothing domestic football and sports you prioritizing over foreign the way Honorable Kofi Adams
almost over management. Do you want to continue managing till there is nothing? Or my say your person is that what you want? No. So say ya kunto kwabi isi nimpei that's a year could decline a 2 points I was saying in Ayatollah say look we need to now revive it again. Adenti and I cash sports once in a while we have to go back and talk only about the persons of the old. Na yeanka NCCR technology na bank and concern yeko in power afidi na dani yeah. So it's a field that we come with a clear mind, we come with a clear heart, we come now we are very open and transparent. I think you can offer appropriate leadership.
Member of Parliament for Buem constituency was also a minister designate for youth and sports, Black Stars Management Committee chairman, executive council member Dr. Ransford Annette Abbey, Dudona friend Dr. Randy Abbey, one NNA, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointed as the acting CEO and former the Ghana Cocoa Board at Dr. Randy Abbey when your appointment room say Ghana Cocoa Board one also a Cocoa and Mr. Frederick Echampong one executive council member at the Ghana Football Association was a bapa say ye can promote him dear now or great minds somebody else sports now yeah na Montias say you will be proud nanka Dr. Randy Abbey ESCO member her position the man etiri nyano idea say ni party ase no secret last 3 years he make sure say dioma better yente Mr. Frederick Echampong, executive council member of the Ghana Football Association.
I think things will be different, trust me. In the last 3 years that we have, I think things will be different. I'm hoping that things will be different and things will be different from, how we ended last year and how we are beginning this year. I'm sure that we've seen a lot of positive stuff in Ghana football.
You think he's the right man?
Who?
Okay, to get right man.
It's the people of football. How many people involved in football? I'll give you the mandate. You think that people around football, you think that they make wrong choices? Is that your thinking? Well, because maybe you don't invest in football, all those people who gathered at Tamale to vote Ketu Okreku are people involved in football. There was not one single non-football person there. Everybody there is a football person. And for them to give mandate to Ketu, anybody. Today I've seen news, I'm just waiting for confirmation. Now Dr. Wandiabe has been appointed as CEO of something. There's some substance at the Executive Council. Don't sit home and think that we are nobody's there. I was running for election. Then PP gave me the mandate to run as parliamentary candidate. You think that there's no substance at the Executive Council? You think so? There are bankers, there are top-level businessmen, big business owners on the Executive Council.
No, Mr. Frederick Echampo, and I say now because me could dry for no southeast come parliament Dr. Randiabi and a CEO na okay say nipa on 77 just say small small big brains pa and our executive council so actually and there not any problem we know you personally, we respect that, but a human amode brains na can wasam no so say big brains ni able league ni sponsor say nya big brain no so ajaji nobody doubt your personal credentials and your academic qualifications. That has never been the point of discourse. The discussion has always been around the fact that based on some your money born a thank you. Ghana Football Association with him say Ghana Premier League window, second round window. Nyame atuma and a closely the Ghana Premier League. Now second round ye be a window na ni nyina ne say ade be on the 23rd day of December 2024 a close on the 22nd day of January 2025 na the attempt say one full month and I'm paying for the tour ya dey yes ade no enti say make a choose na about 11:59 and na about 11:59 na ade no a shut it down wa won't be register player biama wono or register enye na mame so se kakrai na febema exclusive siribi eti hat to focus so ye ka say only one signing and a has aye a register and we are branched this such as a school boy makacho dada and no me exclusive story so branched the thing at the Razak Sapon kono musiro wono has edi no musu konkobo Aras akwara se debi on any chemo young apostles and the ajegu na God one more midfielder anything edi kwesi asma na the has epe kwesi asma no say Salim Adams me no ka say o Moldova oguso aye trials eti kwesi asma de no na nyina no say branch and hat to folk one am sign no normal register na eneya ye hwe official confirmation anim say hat to folk ade baba uye no free ma and I chanced on a meeting has some penny for you ya coach and thing at Abubakar Watara or see so far or you okay with squad no one or you okay squad a year nessa just a no it has a for questions ma and the Bakawa had to folk and for player BBM almost so my players Makuma Kumi and Sabi Akolon Gideon Asante Dino account a branch did Isaac from Paul account Sanso and Rendiri Yaman Kwabefi account 3 players Amunano has a Yombako loan at the hearts of folk Omo transfers our general transfer window and a Maura Maya Jumanakra and so at the amount now make Nations FC our general transfer window the biggest sign of Moya I branch did Imano Ano now kwana buy no baller or ball Edman Nations and your ball kit rockra Minoka say former Great Olympics former Asante Kotoko former Atram Divisa one more a right back yani jay Eddie Christopher Nakainete Christopher Neti one room yeah was signing a permanent deal and was signing at the Nations FC Christopher Neti one room our Nations or Baba Juman Tente at the Nations FC Nations for any break may say more ambition so this season on Baja League no name omo yan kakra ubuso wam say o game after game bako ne yeba etiano Nations one latest addition amaye and so the Christianity adenaba and kakra free oba now former Asante Kotoko former Kim Faisal former Nations FC and former Vision midfielder Emmanuel Sarkodie Abranche Ajane Division 1 sider ye from Park Academy Etienne Park Academy one assign Emmanuel Sarkodie one oye former player de ma Asante Kotoko ene de wonsam ere atudwa wokai abranche de den ede empem da Costa wabo ade ama mediema wabo de ama Asante Kotoko wabo ade ama oboase Asante Gold ne last club aya club ene den ede da biasa ko bo ibasake nyina okay anasa fe no woko basake abranche na bo ede ama bibiani Cold Stars me no nkasai empem da Costa ne din no unum sake ampem ne mo register first won ko ye EMPEM ne din no kwa empem da Costa me no nkasai akwara na awuram a basake Holy Stars ya expect so mo sane former Asante Kotoko as gold any Gold Stars player no so ba be wuram aba be saka we kakra free oba ana mte wonsam no ade tudwa ade mai na chiefo me ba crop ya Asante Kotoko metema crop ya Asante Kotoko metema and good news and it's a goalkeeper Frederick Asare or a captain at the Asante Kotoko when himself Fred season way a black Kotoko kopia mo pre-season and so our Elmina and no to aba and Frederick Asare wano you know as the captain for the team it's Asante Kotoko captain Frederick Asare and or say training say after about 2 weeks of inactiveness in terms of trading now Brantel and knee injury and no sase na yameba mema exclusive videos if ya dokojache oba se goalkeeper no kotodwen dem se kokora because America o tunu okoba no to no to fo no na nyagro I want pictures and infojini no and ya go page na so ya wo so unhwa bie and Brantel dey and Frederick Asare wano se wa se training ase a good news and ma Asante Kotoko yanko yanim Asante Kotoko wano mo akonfirm se nyame aduma echina Thursday and upon 9:30 Kumase Baba Nyara Sports Stadium conference room Asante Kotoko we meet the press and answer me for say we post match interview ni Asante Kotoko omo big game on Sunday wamane Kerala Kotoko nanu de no mbo na nipa ni ho enkofo chirema as na omo media relations na aba fam wama mpejam etuwe de Kotoko ai na dwen so omo e press mienu chance and chofo plus obi omo chance and chofo no inform Justice Blay captain for now or a deputy captain name na say one of the captains armband in the absence of Frederick Asare the first choice captain and now for so Andrews in team manu Pepe inform player on me no Thursday and upon on club no one be chance and chofo Kumase Baba Nyara Sports Stadium na press engagement no any international kosoa we kakra free oba e don some no e tudwa Asante Kotoko womo a striker Asante Kotoko player omo fan e was second round himu na obo the first game Emma Kotoko e bra one a ball bibiani Gold Stars enya the first goal say wabo 4 official games okra 5 goals in the league wabo 3 games okra 4 goals Kwame Poku peye akasa me pacho tenie pa Kwame Poku ese ono enye so beji goal king ana wo dwere ho se ne Kwame Poku nano ye ball game ye ya me be try radio so de futuo man se Kwame goal king no betimi aje na ne Amesimba to the club ball second round meje most valuable player aje best player of the season eti Kwame betimi aje goal king ni ade no so da bi ball no obodi ne goal king na esi na ni so se chinchie bi opeso aje goal king or say the most important thing opeso ye and so opeso boa na Kotoko achieving ambitions Kotoko goals am set for the season no wo mo achieve Kotoko glories na aba goal king be ma fine but nya no and no Jones be our personal glories ahead of team no the opeso mo owie ye and okasa ye and fan relationship with Albert Amoa Agogo Aviator okasa elefan yentie kwambu
and I try to so that in so that so it's not achieving the first that's never feeling much media in the community a club place but I don't know club around the life
right hello so Kwame Poku peye na Kwame bra wo Ghana na wo Kotoko no unya Blasters call up under coach Charles Kobla Akono Sika Akono FL Sesia say Blasters call up papa. Are you ready? Ubetimi abono say hey. Say sa chance ne ba biema. Oba grab papa ba ko no ode nensa nifa na esum right. Osi we say chance ne ba biema. What the same you nan nyina na furu nyina ba gi chance no. No kwa obi aba say or more matured as compared to timer onya ni maiden call up equal Black Stars.
I mean believe say I'm say the first time when I'm more Black Stars so kanka more bo one committee no offer. I had more to offer. I feel like maybe it wasn't the right chance. And as we are speaking right now, I'm so open I would show me through say Black Stars will be there or I'll make sure I'll up again and then anytime then I'm willing to be at my best to the national team.
And then Kwame Poku Baye. Now finally, Kwame Poku Akasaye. On the original from the Kasaye. And okay. Yankwe. Kwame Poku and Yabusano and Ombusano. Nyani friend Jobusano. So Kwame. Na say player Exodus. I league panos no cre. Your league in the beauty a pekia. Na record near ton when a beauty film. And you say to say what's I say. Do baba kono so ono de obaso oboko so kono se ko for desire say eso kodia obeko se ompeso stay a obesti kwampoku bei
we know was on the match we went to one we are going to match ara 1 or 2 players so also mo baba ta captain ake duku da mo so na players a on the do that so always there was a fan oh yeah we so but a lot of guys I don't know but no I have the before I think I can go so we don't the time to my place which long guys and we can stay for you know time to cry we got to really stay in the cry I think that I about the because I'm a pretty also but the whole semester we play a really player if we can say I don't think that you never sometimes I have to she doesn't see so if I don't because I don't really like this stuff but and we can only try to see the call and if Kotoko to stay no problem.
I know I Kwame Poku Baye on that. Yanko and there are more stories. Kotoko fellas the best yes, players are ebesoso na Kotoko ewie as they say 5. Yes, but say ebeko 6-7. Nyame anwia ye de be hyiam ye ko enra ye tuanamo ekupie mu ewo bibieni. Ne ho ena ye ne bibieni Gold Stars. Womo players ene afei womo coach ekodi nkomo. Me pacho tinie pa. Bibieni Gold Stars. Womo defender did Vincent Atenga ena ye bisa no the same question ya. Quantos players every league rim eko Atenga ye de no say simple brand ha ho salary nenye na pitches ne eboso ball no. Se obobi pa na se wo pitch ne eboso ball no bi ka so pewa. Bra wan hwe ya onwini hu mieru kra ena wakoto say 2 reasons bad pitches ena face so ade tin de poor salaries eno ena momoko.
You know, life after football is not easy. Life after football, there's so much life to live. We have family. So I think leaving Ghana to go and seek for greener pastures, I think it's good because it's very difficult to play in Ghana. Very, very difficult, especially the pitches, salary-wise. So if a player performs in the season and then he gets in a contract, the person will go because life after football is not easy. That is what most of us, the Ghanaian play, that's what we think. You have a family, definitely you need to get a house, you need to get a car, you need to get some business running. So if salary-wise is no, if the salary is not good, if you get in a contract, you need to leave. You will leave definitely. For me, example, if I get, I will leave.
87.9. Vincent, what about you? Do you still be Bobo? So Vincent, you say, "Who cried to take a retirement money?" And also for me, for instance, if I get, I'll go. To be bad, near Boko. Na hana Atenga ka asemu ya no sepa muntie ne Vincent Atenga o say obetum panyifo for say at least mo de mo from minimum yimna say 1000 Ghana yem for players ka na bi mo brew o se bo so me so a ono Vincent Atenga o giri pay obibie ni Gold Stars a na ne afena ne boys no mo so bo league ribi enya so mbodi division 1 o mbo Ghana Premier League ribi no so te o mo kakra we fra na o man kakra we yenti Atenga se do si echecha se mu ade che letter na
what I can say is at least we need to get a minimum, like a minimum salary, put down a minimum salary, like maybe let me say from maybe 1,000 going. If you can pay a player 1,000 Ghana cedi or 1,000 from 1,000 upwards, and it's very difficult when it comes to money issue. It's very difficult because one, some of us we rent, we buy fuel, we do all sorts of things. And if the salary is not good, if you get any contract in Tanzania, any of the countries, then you go and you take maybe, for example, $500, $600. It's huge amount of money when you convert it into cedis. So definitely the person will live.
Are you trying to tell me that some of you receive lesser than the 1,000?
Yeah. Because I have colleagues. We are all playing the same league, but I have colleagues which most of the time normally sort them out. They can call me, oh, senior, this. But yeah, he's my colleague. I understand him.
And the boys, I know my friend Atenga, senior, a comu senior, you need senior, na Atenga sort of Mokaka or Omofano. We league when you bono. Yente from Pomans, also a head coach at the Emma Club and at the BPN Gold Stars. League Ressas here, no more than so. We are not so Bajiano or see Yabotre. From Pomans will say, now, almost set it almost set to our side on winning the Ghana Premier League. Now, or say with a little push, the mansion, everything when she said they are aiming for the ultimate, which is the Ghana Premier League title.
No. Now we've seen that if we push a little bit, we can also win the league title. So for now, yes, we are aiming for the first spot, or even if it's within the first four, there's no qualms about that. But if we work, like I said, double of what we did in the first round, if we're able to do that, we can also win the title. Yeah.
So you're aiming for the league title?
Yeah, for now, I think so.
I know already doing at from Paul Manson, Steven, on the head coach, BPN Gold Stars. Now, GFE, from Paul Manson, says they say, on your national under 17 male soccer team, the Black Starlets of Ghana, the Twinkle Lotto Stars, on your head coach. Coach, Kwame Nabafa was our point 20. Ubetumi Ameje, Wajuma Oyano BPN, and Afe, under 17 Juma.
No, for now, we need to sit down, plan for the whole thing before I can give details on the whole thing. As at now, we've spoken with the FA, and then also our management. They are also in support of the idea. So what we need to do is make sure we get the program for the U17, and then we combine it with the league, and then map up as to how we will go about it. Yeah, in the course of the league, maybe we will do that. Like I said, we need to get, maybe within the week, we'll get the program for the U17, and then we'll study it critically, and then look at how the league is also moving, and then we get the best out of it so that it will not affect both assignments. We need to find out the reasons why we were not doing well in the youth teams, or let me say the U17. So now we've gathered more information, and then also during my tenure, there were also things that maybe didn't go well, so I have all them in mind, and then try to see the best as to how I can improve on those things. And this time around, I think we'll be able to get the qualification.
I know Stephen from Pomanso, head coach at the BPN Gold Stars. Yeah, Brenason, Mamenko Ghana Football Association, President Anitin Edeket Edwin Simeon Okraku, now why encourage FIFA referees, said they should rise above the challenges. No one deliver top-notch performance, both domestically and internationally. Nina opinion Edeket FIFA amaya 22 badges for center referees and assistant referees. Etibra. All present at the Amono and our Egiomo say Omomodia in a colorful ceremony on Tuesday, January 19, 2025. And oh, yes, I did. Now, TNS what or the two where a cat or say your performances have justified the trust and the belief CAF and FIFA have in your good selves. I think that's much better than you have done so far. It is time, or see, in times past, our country I would want all of you to go out as proud and great ambassadors of our FA to make our Premier League, our Division 1 League, our Women's Premier League what it's supposed to be. Per our own history, there are lots of challenges in the second half of the season. Let's stand up to the test. We trust in your individual and team ability. Some of you go in as a team to deliver good performance. Please, let's protect our football. Let us protect our football. He emphasized, we a ket okraku a bra 22 FIFA badges. What the Emma referees are FIFA ede badges no ede abrom. And a pay yademo